How to fix FPS drops in Roblox. So first, while you are in game, you want to modify the settings by clicking on the escape button and then going to settings and then scrolling down to the graphics quality. Now, if your PC is not really good, you want to make sure this is between 1 and 3 dots or whatever this is. If your PC is decent, you can increase it like to maximum or like middle, but usually keeping it around 1 to 3 should improve the FPS drops. And then you want to click on resume to exit out of this. Now in Windows, you can modify a few settings to also improve the FPS and fix the drops. So first you want to right click on the start button right here and open up the settings. And then you want to go to system and then display and then scroll down and click on graphics settings. And from here, you want to basically select desktop app if you installed Roblox from the website, or you want to switch to Microsoft Store app if you installed Roblox from the Microsoft Store. And if you don't see Roblox in here, you should basically click on the browse button and then navigate to Roblox. Now, if you don't know where Roblox is, you can basically just find by looking for Roblox. Right click on it and then click on open file location, and you can just copy this path right here and then go back to the settings. So if you go back to the settings, click on the browse again, you'll need to paste the path in here and press enter and then select Roblox player, click on add, and from here you want to click on options and then click on high performance, click on save. And then you want to make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled or turned on. And the last option is to basically click on the start button right here. And then you will need to search for performance options, which is this one, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then you want to switch this to adjust for best performance. And then click on apply and OK. This will basically make your Windows look kind of ugly, but in terms of performance, it should basically improve the game's performance versus the look of Windows. So it's not that big of a deal. It's still usable. If you want to make it look a little bit better, you can check this option right here, which is smooth edges of screen fonts, and then click on apply and OK. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.